Hi, in this short video I'll explain how to use the therapist rating scale, which can be part of the protocol toolbox. Click on Symptoms, click on Therapist Rating, select the client you want to make the rating for, and then click on Add Therapist Rating. Now here you see the client code, date of birth, gender, treatment name, treatment status, the date of the therapist rating, and here you have your symptom categories from attention deficit disorder to dyslexia, and at the bottom you see some medications, stimulants, and it says behind, like stimulants, 0 is no, 4 is a normal dose, or 8 is a higher dose. That goes for all these medications. Alcohol, that's units per day, goes up to 8, so it's basically 8 or more. Cannabis, 0 is no, 4 is about once a month, and 8 is daily. And opiate is again 0 no, 4 normal dose, 8 high dose. So here we go. So let's say we have a young boy who has attention deficit disorder and a little anxiety, and the rest is almost 0 or not relevant. And the young boy is on Ritalin, a normal dose, and no other medication or stimulants. Then you click on Add Therapist Rating. Now, you'll see a warning here. Please select primary symptoms to treat. So in this phase, you decide on which of these categories you want the protocol to be based. So in this case, we want attention deficit disorder and anxiety disorder. Now, again, click on Add Therapist Rating. Now you're done.